Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to return Amazon items for a refund. Whether something didn't fit, arrived damaged, or simply wasn't what you expected, Amazon makes the return process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's walk through each step together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. This will take you to your personalized Amazon homepage where you can manage all your orders and purchases. Next, look up at the upper right toolbar of the page. You'll see an option labeled Returns and Orders. Click on it. This section houses all your order history and is where you'll initiate any returns or exchanges. Once you click it, Amazon will load a page displaying all your recent purchases. Now scroll through your order history and find the specific item you want to send back. Click on that item to open its details. This will show you all the information related to that particular purchase, including the order date, delivery status, and available actions. After opening the item, look for the button that says Return or Replace Items next to that order. Click on it to begin the return process. This action signals to Amazon that you'd like to send something back and opens up the return workflow. You'll now see a section asking why you're returning this item. Click the drop-down menu below it and select your reason from the available options. Whether it's the wrong size, defective, or no longer needed, choose the option that best matches your situation. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to move forward. Amazon uses this information to improve their service and process your return correctly. After that, Amazon will ask you some additional questions to better understand your return. Select your preferred options by clicking the circle beside each one. These questions help Amazon route your return properly and may affect how quickly you receive your refund. Once you've answered everything, click Continue Shopping to proceed to the next stage. Finally, you'll need to pick your drop-off option from the list Amazon provides. This could include dropping off at an Amazon hub, UPS store, Whole Foods, or arranging a pickup depending on your location and the item. Choose the option that's most convenient for you, then click Confirm your return. Amazon will then generate your return label and provide instructions for dropping off or shipping the item back. And that's it. You've successfully initiated your Amazon return and you're all set to get your refund once the item is received. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.